Hey guys, Running Bear Central is a new thing for me. I've been trying to make a couple towing videos. I want to do the towing side of it. I was having a lot of problems with it though, and I still got those videos. Maybe we could edit them and throw them on, but there's always something that seems to go wrong with them. But also on the side of it, I want to do some collision work, and we're going to do some nice work here. We're going to show you start to finish on this little Focus that we got, and it's wrecked in the front pretty good. Keeps running over things, and I know she's probably got a lot of hidden damage. I haven't been into it yet, and we're gonna get a new hood for it, a new bumper, all factory parts from the junkyard. So update, we got Focus here again. Day one, I guess. Still, we're only about 5 hours into it, maybe not even that far. I was gonna pay some parts and or I was gonna fit some parts, some headlights and stuff, but I realized I gotta paint the rebar first to get that up there, so I can help hold the headlights. So we're gonna continue. We're gonna fit everything. We need to continue to fit everything before we paint. So main key, fit before paint. Okay, so let's get rolling. So even though it's got these cheap aftermarket headlights off the eBay, we're gonna get them tinted, or they are tinted. We got it to fit really well. It took a little longer than expected, but she's back. Now I'm just gonna repair some of these panels. We're gonna get this hood right. We're gonna get the bumper right. We're gonna get it all disassembled and get ready for paint. Get ready for primer. And we keep on rolling. All right. I don't know what day it is. Lost track of days, but we made progress. Everything's fit. Everything's repaired. We have. I ended up having to take down this bumper bed down to bare plastic, which I didn't expect, but make it look good. Finished everything off in 600 grit except for our bare metal spots. Got a little etch primer on them already. We're gonna put a little primer on them, not too thick. The thicker you put it on, the more there is to shrink. So finish it off nice, make it look good. Couple coats of primer, not heavy, and we'll get it ready for paint. So I know I jumped ahead a little bit, but I'm gonna do a little explaining. I got 1000 grit, and well, actually earlier the jumping ahead part is I blocked with 320 a little bit on the hood and tried to open it up so it could dry a little bit more on the primer. It's out in the sun baking right now. It's actually flipped upside down, and I painted the inside, so that way we can put it on before we paint. I got 1000 grit, and I got 400. We're gonna 400 the hood. I'm gonna 1000 the fenders for our blend, and I'm actually probably gonna 600 the hood, then 400 it, just to knock that thick primer off, get the top layer off, and then because we're gonna seal it, we'll 400 it. Right now. Once again, I jumped ahead. I red scotch spreaded all the edges on the fenders. That's what I was doing earlier. Do all the edges first, and I'm gonna come through and hit them with 1000 grit. So we're gonna go ahead on that. On instead of 600 on everything. I don't know why I said that. We're gonna actually cut it with 320 on the DA, then we're gonna go over with 400 wet. I like keeping things wet when I'm sanding, and it keeps the job a little cleaner. Alright, so we had some camera issues while sanding and prepping our paint, but we did get it done, and we're moving forward. We're going to get some taping done. We're going to get this thing sprayed tonight.
Kind of keep you updated on what we're doing. Right now, we're just masking the car.
Okay, so we're gonna bag this thing. We're ready for paint.
Well, I call it masking.
Masking, bagging,
Whatever.
taping, no difference. We're gonna bag this one. We're not gonna use no spray and paper. We're gonna bag it out. We like to bag them.
Yep.
And
It's more efficient, right?
I don't know about more efficient,
But
but
it's better.
I like the bag. I like that it keeps the paint job clean. And as long as the bag's tight, we got all our paint stuff out. We're ready to paint, and we're gonna do some sealing. And let's get rolling. We only got so much time. Let's roll. Come on.
Let's go. Wait, you still have you still have
Hey guys, it's D-Day. We're all painted. We're gonna get this thing put together today. We're going to. It looks. I guess I got the camera in my hand. I don't know how good we can see it. It's kind of hard to. Oh, I can look at the camera in my hand here. Turn out good. Blend the fenders. Full color on the hood. Blend the fenders so you got no. So we got no paint here. So we got some Len, we got full paint here, match our bumper. Here's bumper. Bumper turned out good, nice and slick. So we got color, no color, nice little blend. Tried to fill in some of this chip that was here for the guy, because I know people like their chips touched up. I don't like touching chips up, because it's always a problem. So it's always a problem when you're touching chips up. I don't like touching things up. So I try to get a little color in there, but let's get rolling. It's D-Day. We're gonna get this thing buffed and built. Alright, final step is, it looks like it's shiny already, but that's because it's in 3000 grit. It was kind of dirty, so I 1500 it, took the trash out, 3000 or 15. It's still really soft, so hopefully it'll buff easy. Hopefully we have no problems. I cut it in the morning and I let it sit cut open for a while, so hopefully it hardened up a little bit. The top of the bumper looks pretty good, but I'm gonna hit it too. And we got the tops of the fenders, so we'll wheel it out. So I wish the video was a little longer. I wish I would have got a little bit more of the final result. But here it is. Got good color on the whole thing. Not too splotchy. Blends turned out nice. Customer's happy. You guys let me know what you think. You know what to do. And we appreciate it. Running Bear Central.